So I'm just gonna give y'all a few seconds to chime in. But yeah, it's going down. So like y'all know, in everything I do, I always start off with prayer. I always honor the Most High, Yahuwah, in everything I do. That's just it is what it is. You feel me? So I'm gonna get down to business. So I may not be hitting the wave button, or I may not be giving shout outs and all that. And this is a part of PD Nature TV. So I appreciate y'all for tuning in. So let's go ahead and say a prayer real quick before I get into this powerful information that I got for y'all. All right. Um, so, dear Father Yahuwah, we thank you for this opportunity to be able to um, share this message with the people and share what thus saith of the Most High, and to involve the community and the people into what I'm doing. May someone be empowered, and may someone be uplifted by my message and take heed to the to this broadcast as what is about to take place, and the information that's about to take place. I ask you to bless every viewer and every person that's going to watch this broadcast, uh, whether it be live or whether it be after, whether it be on YouTube or Facebook or whatever. So as y'all chime in, I'm asking the Most High Yahuwah to bless you, and may someone be uplifted, and may someone take the lead to take control over their financial um, situation in their life. And we do honor you right now, Yahuwah, and may this be a blessing to someone. Hallelujah, hallelujah, Amen. Shabbat Baruch, um, to die, Amen. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so we're going to go ahead and get started. We're going to kick this off. I'm pretty much here to introduce to you my business, PD Nature Financial Solutions. And PD Nature Financial Solutions, we're going to get into it and get into the to how I came about this company. And I would like to salute my business partner, Adrian Harrington, for bringing the best out of me and allowing me to be at the level of where I'm at right now. So let's go ahead and get started, because I have some powerful information for y'all. That's helping people position into better financial and credit situations. So first of all, hello. I do want to say hello to everybody. We are here to help you get better interest rates, so you can get these future purchases on homes and cars, and also want to talk about the big challenges a lot of Americans are having, um, not only with less than perfect credit, but also with debt, and going paycheck to paycheck. You'll be surprised at the numbers. I mean, here's a large challenge in America. Most people have scores between 300 and 850, and you want to ask yourself, where are you? Ask yourself, where are you? The average credit score is about 700, but there's 43 million people that have less than a 599 or less. 43 million people in America have less than a 599 credit score. So just follow with me, because I'm about to educate y'all, for those that don't know this information. And that's on the national credit. That's the national credit score of 700. The average credit score is about 700. But like I said, 43 million Americans have 599 or less. It's affecting where they live, what they drive, the jobs they have, insurance premiums, and and you know, it's eating out of people's paychecks for real. It's eating out of people's paychecks, and a quarter of America don't even know what their score is. They don't even know what their score is, or what it determines. So I'm just going to share these things with y'all and hope that it motivates you and to do better. You feel me? Also, 10% of Americans, they don't even have credit, visible credit. And if you don't have a credit score, it's going to harm you in the future. Don't feel bad. Don't feel bad. Where you at. Because our formal education didn't teach about personal finances, ownership, financial freedom, or success. They just didn't teach us. So again, what do we know about finances? Like really, what do we know about finances? Some of us know, the majority of us don't know. So don't be ashamed. Don't be ashamed of what you don't know about finances. And we're here to teach you. The credit bureaus don't care about who you are and and how many figures you earn. If you're in a bad credit situation, if you made some bad decisions in the past, they don't care how much money you're making, and they don't care who you are. Point blank, period, straight like that. So PD Nature Financial Solutions is under a company called United Credit Education Services. And if you listen and follow directions, uh, you can join thousands of Americans that has improved their credit score. And we're a 501c3 and been in business for 15 years. Um, um, I used credit restoration before. A lot of people have used credit restoration before, and the difference is um, they're they can only do a few to like 2 to 5 things, helping you remove things from your credit. But being that this company is a 501c3, it's endless the amount of things that can be removed from your credit. So y'all just bear with me. I'm telling you, this is some like really, really important information. I worked hard on this, and I hope y'all getting something out of this. We could dispute all your negative items on your credit report at one time. When the companies that's aren't 501c3, like I said a moment ago, they can only do 2 to 5 things. They can only remove and help you with 2 to 5 things. And being that we're 501c3, uh, we can remove and work on everything at one time. So we are credit we are accredited and rated with a at the Better Business Bureau, and you can do the research yourself, and which is very powerful. That's very, very powerful. So what we offer what we call protection plan membership, and what's included in the protection plan membership. And you may see me look over there because I'm on YouTube Live at the same time I'm on Facebook Live. So what we offer with the protection plan membership is budgeting, uh, credit restoration, credit builder, credit attorney, credit monitoring, debt payoff, financial lockbox, identity monitoring, net worth, saving goals, will and trust, and also YTL Family Mint. So, and I'll explain on that a little bit further in this broadcast. So, I mean, we're here to help you restore your score and maximize your credit ability. That's what we're here to do. Um, Restore your credit and help you maximize your credit ability, and then some. So I'm telling you, and I use the service, and I'm very, very, very happy with the service. I'm telling you, uh, you will be amazed at the things that I can tell you that has been monitored and removed off of my credit and has me in a better situation. Uh, our credit education services can help assist you in communicating with the credit bureaus to remove inaccurate, obsolete, uh, erroneous, unverifiable negative items on your credit report that is killing your score. These are the things that's killing your score. You follow me? Um, so, like, pretty much, like, how would it feel, you know, if you uh, go to a car lot and you already know that you're going to be approved? I mean, that's got to be a good feeling. You feel what I'm saying? And just imagine talking to a mortgage broker and be ready to buy on contact. So this is what the type of shape that this program is going to get you to, and take you to and position you for. You know what I'm saying? So also imagine getting letters from insurance companies and from your insurance company saying you can reduce your premiums because you increased your credit score. And so those are great qualities. I'm sure y'all know that those are great qualities. We educate you so you can make better decisions in your finances. 35% of your payment history goes into your credit score. So we help groom you with all of that. And of course, a lot of you already know, and some of you don't know that 30% is your amount owed on your credit, and I'm getting ready to get a little bit more into that. Um, so let me break that down. 35% on time payments, delinquencies, and what you've been doing the last 12 to 24 months. If you made mistakes, then you want to get these items removed. Um, paid on as agreed or deleted. You want to get them removed, paid on as agreed or deleted. A capacity or amount owed um, uh, is a percentage of your credit limits. These are percentages of your credit limits. So that's just 35%. 30% pretty much equals um, maxing out your credit cards and your account, and maintain healthier numbers. Um, Put it like this. Excuse me. When you don't max out your credit and your credit accounts, and you keep them 30% or less, that makes your credit situation healthier. That's what I'm trying to say. I stumbled over my words a little bit, so y'all forgive me. All right. So we want to help you. We want to help you with our services of debt payout. We have a debt payout tool. This will guide you to pay down your debts quickly um, with the same money you already earn. The same money you already earn. Then we have a thing called length of credit. How long, and you had these loans, accounts, because some people do what is called a credit sweep, and we don't do a credit sweep. Um, we actually and let me just say it like this. If you do your credit with a company and they do a credit sweep, and you 40, 50 years old, the creditors and the bureaus is pretty looking at it like, well, where's your history? You see what I'm saying? So that can hurt you as well. The new credit can hurt you. The new credit and not having a credit history can hurt you just as much as having bad credit. Um, And I know that makes plenty of sense to a lot of people, because they pretty much like, where you been at. You feel me? You don't want to go to people that don't have the accreditation or the credibility that we have. Uh, Point blank. Period. New, like I said, new credit 12 to 18 months. Even if you have a 740 or higher on all three bureaus, that new credit and those credit inquiries can hurt you, because what happens is, if you don't have good credit, or if you have slow credit, or no credit history, these creditors, they shop you around to try to get um, the deal on, to get the best deal with a creditor that's going to actually lend you the money. So then you get a whole bunch of these inquiries that really pulls your scores down, um, and that could hurt you. So extensive inquiries and the types of credit, whether you have installment loans versus revolving loans, and how many, then you got to consider that as well. You have to make a huge difference. I mean, it makes a huge difference. It will make a huge difference. Um, the bank and agencies are not going to educate you. The banks, I'm telling you that now, they're not going to educate you, and that's what we do. Um, um, for credit, you're trying to get extended to you. Um, they don't care about that. They don't care about teaching you or guiding you or leading you into the best you know step to make the right decision. Like, they really could care less. So you must know that the credit bureaus are not they're not government authorities. They are private owned companies, um, um, working out of a database. That's pretty much what they are. They're working out of a database, and I'm gonna elaborate a little bit on that. Um, Let me see. They operate um, out of a customer financial data. Customer financial data. That's what they operate. That's what they use. That's the system they use. And they're independent companies. You know, and your scores are different in each of the bureaus. In each of the three companies, your scores are different. All right. So we're about education, and I'm gonna elaborate some more. You have creditors that report to one or two, but not to all credit agencies. So so it's up to you. It's up to you, because they're not obligated to share your information with all of them. They're not obligated to share your information with the other bureaus. So this is where our company steps in and makes sure that that information is accurate. Make sure that is shared, and to help boost your score. So once again, it's up to you to get the credit that you deserve. To be reported. Um, you have the right to rebuke and dispute all credit items on your credit report, according to the Fair Credit Reporting Act. You feel me? And this is what's gonna blow your mind if you didn't know. And this is what blew my mind. Um, you know, the Fair Credit Reporting Act, it's been around since 1973, and it gives you a right to do so. So that act right there gives you a right to dispute and rebuke the things that's on your credit. And surprisingly, being that it's been around so long, um, you know, there's still 40 million Americans with less than perfect credit. So these numbers is shocking to me, and it makes me want to get involved more and more to help more and more people be aware and be alert of what's going on in their finances. And you're going to hear more about what I'm getting ready to get into. So I just thank y'all for your attention and tuning in and following me with on this. Um, Let me see. It don't matter the mistake or why it happened, to you, or why you have less than perfect credit. Like I said, you know, everybody that has less than perfect credit pretty much has an emotional story about behind it. You feel what I'm saying? But the creditors and the credit bureaus, they don't care. I mean, they don't. I mean, I'm just being 1,000 with you. They don't care. So, pretty much, what we do, we help you remove late payments, charge-offs, foreclosures, bankruptcies, tax liens, collections, um, medical bills, short sales. We help you remove these things, and it doesn't matter what it is. It don't matter what it is. I could tell you some things that was removed from my credit that will blow your mind, men. You know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna go ahead and tell you, when you see me post, the post that I post about the financial business, and the first thing up there is remove child support. Oh, it's real in the field. For real. It's real in the field. So yeah. So yeah, let me get let me stick to this. So like I said, it doesn't matter. It can be disputed. It doesn't matter what it is. It can be disputed. And of course, these are things that's been holding people back. These are the things that's been holding people back. The things I named, late payments, charge off, foreclosures, bankruptcies, tax liens, collections, medical bills, short sales. So we can help you with that. Um, Once you become a member of United Credit Education Services Protection Plan, you can monitor your progress right on your portal 24/7. Once you become a member, you can monitor the actions and everything on your portal 24/7. For real. All right. So, so we will educate you on what no one ever taught you about credit and money. That's what we're here for, to educate you on what no one has ever taught you about credit and money. I'm learning so much. I'm just like, wow, you know what I'm saying? And it's just amazing to me that this is really needed in our community, especially in the community of Longburn, North Carolina. I'm trying to tell you right now. So, and we have this access to see it in action 24/7 again. You just go to your portal and you can see this. All right. Uh, People come to us, and be asking, uh, should I file bankruptcy or do a debt consolidation? Uh, we won't give you advice, but we will give you the education. We're not going to give you advice about if debt consolidation or or filing bankruptcy, but we'll give you the education. And I think that's pretty cool. Um, so we do have a place where you can go for your questions. Our customer service agency, which is open from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Additional protection plan products. So we're going to talk about the additional stuff with the protection plan. Let's see, budgeting. So you can track your income. People who live by a budget more than likely don't miss payments. Straight like that. And this will strengthen your credit. So the program helps you budget and helps you keep up with your payments that you need to be making on time. I mean, that's one and two is three. One plus two is three. That's using wisdom. Um, and two, credit builder. You will have an easy access format to see and understand your credit online. That 24-hour portal that we just mentioned. You can go anytime, log into your membership, and check it out. check out the progress of everything that's going on, and it'll be boosting your credit, where you can maximize the five things we talked about earlier. All right. So this is just more of the protection plan and the things that come with the protection plan. Um, Credit attorney. They evaluate difficult pace for us. It's legitimate, and you can actually sue companies. You can actually sue companies. Like, wow, where they do that at? You feel me? Um, and creditors for you can actually sue creditors for unlawful collections. You feel me? We even compensate you um, when we win, and when we win a case. And of course, um, and being honest, they're not going to take a case unless they know for sure they can win. You feel me? So that's a great option right there, just to know that you have lawyers to back you up and to help you out in that situation when you have unlawful creditors harassing you. All right. So let's talk about credit monitoring next. Credit monitoring. You don't want to be the last to know what's going on with your credit. So once again, right from your own home, you will always have access to go online and see what's going on with your credit. All right. Debt payoff, which is a guide. Debt payoff is a guide to help you become debt free. That's pretty much what that is. So you can stop paying those high interest payments. All right. Financial lockbox. Financial lockbox is to organize everything. That's what the financial lockbox is. Identity monitoring. Identity monitoring is basically identity theft protection. I don't know about you, but I would love for why would I want to work hard at rebuilding, building my credit up and getting as close as I can to credit perfect or beyond credit perfect, or perfect credit, and then still have my information just laying out there open for pirates and thieves to mess with it and play with it. So this program protects your identity. All right. Net worth. Your net worth. That helps build up your net worth. That's pretty much self-explanatory. Saving goals. Saving goals. The company helps you save more. Will and trust protects those assets, and willpower and trust of attorney. Um, all right. So next, you know, we have the YFL. I said YTL earlier. Correction. YFL. Um, and YFL Family Mint, and it's pretty much an online education and going into assist these schools across America who take in this free curriculum. And it's a huge movement. It's a huge movement, y'all. A huge movement. Um, and like I said, you do all of this in the comfort of your own home. Um, you got to get the word out. You got to get the word out. So to get started, it's a small investment, y'all, and I'm telling you, it's worth it. It's $188, and it includes enrollment fee and your first 30 days of service for $188. And thereafter that, every 30 days, there's a $89 monthly subscription, and this is no contract. Um, expect to be in the program 4 to 6 months, on 4 to 6 months on average. But you'll start seeing results within the first 45 to 90 days. You feel me? Um, Plus, you're donating to a huge cause, to the YFL, which stands for Youth Financial Literacy. And every payment that's paid, $2 goes, $2 of your monthly payment goes to this cause. And all types of monies have been donated for these children to learn about financial education, scholarships, donations, and we just gave $350,000 to 40 students. So that's a blessing right there by itself. So um, that's this is part one of PD Nature Financial Solutions. I'll be back with part two. Part two goes a little bit in depth as as far as the business is concerned. But as far as signing up, here's your opportunity to sign up to better your finances, better your credit. And like I explained to you, if you're just tuning in, just go back and watch the video. This is not going to be a long video. So my number, if you would like to sign up, and once again, it's $188 to start, and that includes your enrollment and your first month subscription. And then after that, it's $89 a month, and you're guaranteed to see some differences within 4 to 6 months, and you'll start seeing changes within 45 to 90 days if and when you follow the directions. So once I get off the feed, I'm going to put my back office link on the Facebook Live. And I'm going to also give out my number so you can call me if you're ready to sign up. You can text me. If you text me, I can text you the link back. You can go directly to my back office. Everything you need is there. If you want to watch the videos is there to educate you even more, just in case anything that I said wasn't quite clear to you, and if you still have questions. So my number is 910-506-1749. Once again, that's 910-506-1749. My email is peteynature44@gmail.com. So that's PETEYNATURE 44@gmail.com. It don't matter what part of the country you're in. If you would like to participate in these services and this great program and get your finances on track and get your credit on track, educate yourself and be more knowledgeable about your credit situation and strengthen your financial situation. It don't matter where you're at. If you're in California, if you're in New York, it don't matter. But you must be a U.S. citizen and in the United States to participate in this program. I believe Canada and Puerto Rico is accepted, but let me double check on that. I believe it's Puerto Rico, uh, Virgin Islands, and Canada, but don't hold me to that. I have to double check on that. So if you're in those areas and you're interested in this program, definitely let me know where you're at so I can find out. And I'm pretty sure my partner is going to check this video out and he's going to make some comments on it. I hope I've done well. I hope I explained this, and I hope I have educated you a little bit further on what's going on with financial and credit. So, y'all be blessed. Thank you for tuning in, and hopefully you'll make that step and make a better choice to strengthen and correct and improve your financial and credit situation. It's your boy, Freddie Cole, also known as PD Nature, for PD Nature Financial Solutions. Peace.